Right, so I'm about probably 3/4 of the way down Matakana, and it is just beautiful. Water's pretty clear. There's a little bit of cross chatter going on, so I couldn't absolutely floor it. So I just set it about sort of 50 or 60k, a lot of stand-up riding. That was fine. Like my helmet cam, bit of a DIY mount there, seems to work all right for the 360. So you can see down there, there's Mount Maunganui, and that's where we're heading. Not far to go. We'll keep going.
Vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet.
Okay, so we got to Homunga Bay. It's really nice. So it's just me. There's a few people fishing off the rocks, but other than that, there's a lovely little waterfall over there. I think it'll be a really good spot to come back in summer if the conditions were just right. I'd definitely come back. So I'm just going to mosey around to the next bay and have a look around there. See how we go.
Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? I thought by now pain would be my friend. I know that discomfort was a means to an end, but I'm lying in one.
So here we are, Orokawa Bay. A little bit too much swell for me to take the ski into the beach, so I've had to stay out. Got the drone up, had some good footage there. Hope you like that. So that's the headland you can walk over. There's a walk that takes you over that from Waihi Beach. It doesn't take you long. And then you pop out there, southern end of the beach. Beautiful. This would be a great place in summer. Bring your pack, your towel, maybe your surfboard, have a bit of fun on the beach when there's a bit of swell. Took me probably 40 minutes, just cruising along quite leisurely from Mount Maunganui, Pilot Bay, to get up here. The weather's looking pretty good still. I'll take a few vids on the way back, hopefully see a bit of wildlife. So I've used about probably 2 bars of gas, which hasn't been too bad. I think I'll get back okay. I'll tell you if I don't. You can probably just see in the distance there, right about there. It's Mount Maunganui. That's where I've got to get back to. You can see Waihi Beach Township there. So if you're in the Bay of Plenty and you've got a jet ski, give this a go. If you're in Tauranga, you can get here okay. Just plan your trip, do some calcs on your gas, bring a caddy, make sure the weather's looking good. You'll be loving it. Recommend it. So, got through the bar. Even with a small swell, it gets pretty dicey. But we got there. So I'm just on the end of Matakana. Beautiful spot. And I have to get back down there. So not far to go.
can I be forgiven? Claustrophobic and comfortable, I smother myself in what I know. I'm claustrophobic.
So it suddenly just got really glassy. So the old gas notch is going down pretty fast, but I'm getting back a lot faster. I feel very privileged to be able to do this sort of thing in such a beautiful place. I'm very lucky, very thankful I can do it. This sort of thing gives me a lot of gratitude. Just reminds me, it's like a gratitude trigger. Stops you complaining about things that don't matter. So I'm going to hang this up, put it in sport mode, and absolutely rip it. Let's go. So after destroying about half my fuel tank, I'm nearly there. So I'm very close to the mount. I'm probably just going to cruise around to Punipuni Point on the end of the island, park up, have a drink, maybe a bite, and then call it quits. Let's go. Okay, so I'm at Punipuni Point off the end of Matakana Island. Beautiful spot. This is my favourite place to come after work, particularly in summer, autumn, spring. It takes about 15 minutes to get from my house to the ramp across to this island, and it's beautiful white sand. You feel like you're on like a tropical island paradise. Great way to get away from work and all the stresses of life, and just to put you in a place of gratitude again. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it. So thank you again for any support you give me, even just watching the video. I feel very privileged to live in such an awesome spot. I don't think I took advantage of it as much as I should have when I was younger, but I certainly am now, and I encourage you to do the same. If you live locally, get on the water, get yourself a jet ski. I recommend the SEA-DOOs, the other way to go. And just have fun. Just get out there, get in the sunshine. Otherwise, thank you. I had a great time. I hope you liked my vid. We'll see you next time.